In the process of lime ball press installation, pipelines should be laid in strict accordance with electrical standards, and strong and weak signal lines should be isolated and worn to prevent interference. If the lime ball press equipment is in the outdoor, open environment, independent external lightning protection method should be adopted. The equipment itself should also adhere to outstanding grounding to prevent the influence of static electricity accumulation on the ball press equipment when installing. The power cable, communication cable, and video cable should be correctly connected, and the connection should be carefully referred to the requirements stated by the device to recognize the communication method and the corresponding pins. Under normal circumstances, the equipment should be installed in the later stage of construction in order to prevent the construction site of a large amount of dust into the ball press equipment, affecting the use of live ball press equipment and life.